I will talk about Light Brothers. They are made of Wilbur Light and Orville Light. Her bigger brother Wilbur Light is um, 1867. 1867. Little brother Orville Light is 1871. American Ohio to Dayton born. They are when they are child, they like the machines and they want to know about how to make a skyscraper. And now they are the first maker who for, who first made a flying machine airplane. They interested about flying machines and they trying to make flying machine and trying and fly. Finally, they make that, and they all of their life to make flying machine. So they made they when 93 they first made a gasoline engine and propeller to flying propeller airplane. I think they are very